look at her. मैंने ये ब्लिंकिट से मंगवाया था. Now your girl is a brush girl. I love blue. Pilates! Unacceptable. Hey you guys, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back, or if you're new, then welcome to my channel. This is a very, longer format, random weekly vlog जहाँ पे I'm gonna be, real and raw and show you just a glimpse of my life. This is just an introduction for people who are new here, and I really want them to just, get it. Like, ये क्या है, क्यों है. अभी I'm gonna take shower and then I'm gonna get ready and go out for lunch at this, some South Indian restaurant जो नया open हुआ है. I just hope अच्छा हो because I love South Indian. I am a big fan of rasam rice. I live for rasam rice at times. So grab your coffees, chais and whatever you want to and watch this vlog. So I found a way कि urgently अगर तुमको इस्त्री विस्त्री करना just like me you don't like तो I always go for this जुगाड़. ये जल्दी होगा because ये पतला फैब्रिक है. So please remember this and थोड़ा वॉल्यूम कम कर लो क्योंकि इसका बहुत आवाज़ आने वाला है. Just remember this is jugaad, like jugaad, you cannot do this every day because it's just not practical, I guess. ये कुछ चीज़ों में ही काम करता है and yeah, it worked for me ये शर्ट के लिए. I'm so happy मुझे इस्त्री नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of, touch up makeup. Dressing up is a mindset. It helps me to, be sane, calm, and content and collected. I think it is my defense mechanism towards anything that things that get to my head and everything. And it's just so simple for me, just get dolled up and look good. That's it. It just makes me feel so good about myself and gives me confidence. There's this trend going on where people say this, they're posting the propaganda that I am not falling for, I'm falling for, etc. So the propaganda I am falling for is everything is normal. Like, you don't have to search for solutions to every problem. Sometimes you just have to let it be, that is the solution, I guess. And if you get a pimple, people go crazy. They want to find a solution, not because they want to find it, because they want to stop the people that disturb them. उनको आके बोलते हैं कि ये क्या हुआ, ये दिख रहा है, डार्क सर्कल्स है, पिंपल्स है, ये पिगमेंटेशन है, टकली हो रही है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, just because they want to stop that. But it's never going to stop. I'll tell you something. एक नहीं तो दूसरी चीज़ पकड़ेंगे वो लोग. It's not you, it's them. It's the problem is those people, not you having a normal body or normal hair. That would be my brother. All right. Am I like visible to you guys properly? भाई जो भी है देख लो. So I'm using this Character Cosmetics ka concealer. Nice. Now your girl is a brush girl, by the way. It just happened, I'm gonna tell you more about this in my concealers video. मैंने कुछ जो अच्छे अच्छे concealers find किए हैं, deep dark circles जिसको है उसके लिए. I'm so happy that I did this because I know how it feels. So yeah, now I'm gonna use this cute coral blush from Swiss Beauty. Love this one. We already have a lot of pink going on in the outfit, so हम avoid करेंगे pink blushes अभी. I love this one. बहुत ही cute और अच्छा लगता है ये. Now this lip liner, lipstick, the lip oil of course. And I love to do this also. बहुत ही अच्छा है ये चीज़, अच्छी है. A little bit of highlighter on the nose. This is the outfit. I love it. Just I rarely go pink, but I know it goes with me. Like, you know, it really good. Looks good on me. It's raining. मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है बारिश. इतना अच्छा मस्त रेडी होके निकलेंगे and this is just unacceptable. बरसात पड़ी रहे છે. This is like we tried the sambar. It is very good. How did you like the sambar?
સાંભાર બહુ જ સરસ છે અને ચટણી કોપરાની
Approved. It is so pretty. Just look at how the decoration is. Love it, love it, love it. These are the guys. Hello guys. મિલન આ તો શું એટલી ભૂખ લાગી છે કે તું સાંભાર પોળી બેનને and rasam eater. Oh my. So we are done with the lunch. It was okay. Sambar was okayish, bearable. But the rasam was a very big disappointment. And I'm used to rasam, rice and sambar, you know. Like I was craving for it. But 22nd parallel जो मैं हमेशा जाती हूँ वहाँ का rasam, tomato rasam specifically. And sambar is my favorite thing in the whole world. Now we are going लालू को फेंकने के लिए घर पे, मेरे भाई को रखने के लिए घर पे जा रहे हैं हम. And by the way guys, if you don't know, I've started coffee, but not like started. I tried coffee, मुझे पसंद नहीं आई. So I'm trying mocha frappuccino from Starbucks अभी. Again वो अच्छा लगा मुझे. It is bearable, you know, a little bearable. पता नहीं मुझे कॉफ़ी ट्राई करने का क्यों मन किया. I tried cold brew, but समथिंग लाइक क्यों करते लोग खुद के साथ कोल्ड ब्रू पी के. આ કોના માટે છે? શું છે આ?
ફોર માય ગર્લ.
આ માય બેબી કોણ છે? અચ્છા ઝુલાય બેબી. ઝુલાય બેબી. નાઇસ. What I am preparing for, of course, bell pepper pasta. I really want to, you know, try a new recipe, and I just saw something on the internet, and of course Dhruvika is gonna try because I am a big pasta hoarder. If you know, you know. We are going to bake this in the oven that is preheating right now. मैं उसको 10 मिनट प्री हीट होने देती हूँ, फिर ही आई एम गोइंग टू बेक इट एट 200 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. The pasta looks so good. Love it. The way they turned out. अभी इसके बाद चीज़ आएगा, पार्मेजान. रियल टाइम रिव्यू. सच के अलावा कुछ मत बोलना. સાચું બોલ. મસ્ત છે.
બહુ જ મસ્ત છે.
Thank you.
Creamy and
everything is nice. I know. The dinner is served, guys. Guess करिए कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. Pilates. I never thought in my life that I will be doing Pilates someday, honestly. But it is bloody painful, first of all, but effective also. So I wanted to do something. बाहर walk, run करने के लिए जा नहीं सकते because it's crazy. कभी बारिश हो जाती है और गंदा सब हो जाता है. I can't do that. So घर पे कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. इतना जो हम खा पी रहे हैं. Workout done. Pilates done, by the way. And now I'm going to take shower. फिर I'm gonna make pizza sauce at home. क्योंकि शाम को वी आर गोइंग टू हैव पिज़्ज़ाज एट मेरे घर पे। मेरी मम्मी घर पे डो बनाती है, शी मेक्स एवरीथिंग एट होम एंड या इट्स अ पिज़्ज़ा डिनर, फैमिली डिनर सो ये बन रहा है पिज़्ज़ा सॉस। आई मस्ट टेल यू कि आई मेक वन hell of a bowl of pizza sauce. I make good pizza sauce. My favorite thing.
पिज़्ज़ा सॉस।
पिज़्ज़ा सॉस एक बार आप बना लोगे ना ये पिज़्ज़ा सॉस घर पे, यू नेवर गोना लाइक एनी अदर पिज़्ज़ा बेस एज पिज़्ज़ा सॉस जो बाहर मिलता है और बाहर होटल्स में आपको देते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट्स में, कैफेज में। यू गोना लव दिस वन, इट्स सो गुड। आई एम गोना ड्रॉप अ लिंक ऑफ द रेसिपी दैट आई फॉलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, सो यू गोना ट्राई दैट एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स, ओके। सो आई एम ऑल सेट, घर जा रहे हैं हम लोग। पिज़्ज़ा सॉस रेडी है, सब कुछ रेडी है एंड दिस इज द आउटफिट। यस्टरडे इट वाज पिंक, दिस today is all blue. Wait, I'll show you in अच्छी light में। What do I say? मज़ा ही आ जाता है whenever I wear blue. It's just a vibe, like all blue. I love blue and orange. Go with pizza sauce. Let's go. Pizza night with the fam.
Very hot.
Okay. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
ભાઈ કામ કરું છું. વિડિયો પાડે અને પિક્ચર.
વે
વે.
નિકળ
વે.
વે નિકળ નિકળ ચાલ નિકળ. તને છોડ દઉં છું,
ભાઈ
ચાલ.
તું આ દીદી મોકલી
તને છોડી દઉં છું, ચાલશે. ચાલ માફ કર્યો. હાય મમ્મા. હાય. હાય. Chai? Chai making?
Yes.
We're gonna have chai with curry, my favorite thing. And my favorite mama's chai. Video છે પેલા તો
Guys,
જેવું
બધા-
જાવ ગોવા થઈ ગયા. Guys, બધા પેલા તો
ફેટા.
શું છે કે સરસોના પાન હોય ને, અરે સરસો કે આપણે
સરગવાનું.
સરગવાના જે પાન હોય ને એનો આખો ક્રશ કરીને
This is going in the oven, but it's not an oven but microwave. So I'm gonna try to do that convection mode का we are gonna try it. Let's see वो अच्छा हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. Yeah. ये बार જ રાખવાનું છે, પહેલા બહાર પછી અંદર મૂકવાનું ને 160 ડિગ્રી 170 કરીએ બરાબર. એને આપણે કરીશું 20 મિનિટ, 20 મિનિટ્સ થશે. હવે જે થાય લેટ્સ સી. હવે ક્રંચ જે જોઈએ છે આવો જોઈએ.
જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.
જય સ્વામિનારાયણ. ખાલી આમ કરો. મોટો વાળ આપણે કહીએ તેવી મોટો. હા લે કર ચલ.
ચલો,
સરખું
ચાલ,
કરે, એક
ચાલ.
મિનિટ, સરખું કરે એમ મને.
બરાબર આમથી ખાલી પેલું એ લાગ્યું ને એટલે
એક મૂક્યો બાર. How my pizza looks. Woo. Wow.
થવા દે
Of course, we need Domino's oregano and chili flakes. Nobody does it chili flakes like Domino's.
રહેવા દે પછી
તો
ઉઠાય.
કાલે હું તો
બહુ ગરમ
બવાની
છે?
હતી એક પ્લેટમાં
Why did she not tell me? Did you mention Mr. Bingley?
This is little Ansh and little Dhruvika. This hits different, man. Oh my god. Oh, આ તારી first cake છે ને? Oh my god, it's such an old album. Once. This is our McDonald's Happy Meals. When Happy Meals used to be actually good, you know. Toys मिलते थे. आज तो कुछ मिलता नहीं है. Just look at her. She's going to be 31 this month. How is this possible? I am wondering how my parents must be feeling. Lalu આ ગુડિયા છે આપણી neighbor. I don't know why I do this to myself, but if you also like to do this to yourself, then please try this. It is the most spiciest, well, it's just hottest, not spiciest noodle cup I've ever tried. But love it. I couldn't stop eating. Guys, पीछे अवॉइड करो क्योंकि बारिश होती है ना तो कपड़े घर में ही सूखते हैं. आई होप यू ऑल डू दैट ऑल्सो, राइट? सो ये मास्क मैंने क्वेंच आई लुक वेरी फनी, आई नो दैट ऑलरेडी. सो ये मास्क क्वेंच बोटानिक्स से है. मैंने ये ब्लिंकिट से मंगवाया था एंड इट सेज दैट आई नीड टू पुट इट फॉर 2 to 3 hours 4 hours, या तो फिर मैं ओवरनाइट भी रख सकती हूँ. हाँ, 4 घंटे का तो एक टास्क है. ये पूरा नाइट ये अखतरा मैं करूँ या नहीं मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. बट एडवेंचरस लाइफ वैसे भी है मेरी, है ना? तो फिर इसको भी हम लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई टू डू दिस. आज मैं इसको लेके सोऊंगी. इट्स गोना स्केयर द हेल आउट ऑफ मिलन, बट इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. ही हैज़ टू डील विद दिस. ओके, ये चिपक क्यों नहीं रहा है इधर? बाय द वे, आज मैं व्लॉग कल नहीं किया था, नहीं कल थोड़ा बहुत किया था. आई गॉट माई पीरियड्स yesterday and I was not feeling it. Like I can't talk to anybody or socialize when I am on my periods. It's like that. It's like that bad. So आज जाके कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye. So we woke up to a fight. Well, not in our house, but in our neighbor's house. Yeah, पीछे. What matter? I don't know. But hi guys. So वो मास्क मैंने रात को 2 बजे निकाल दिया था क्योंकि I cannot sleep like that. I need my like ऐसे हो जाओ, टेढ़े हो जाओ, मेढ़े हो जाओ, वो सब ज़रूरी है. So yeah, I don't know how do I look, but I feel fine. जैसे प्लम्पी थोड़ा लग रहा है, फॉर्म लग रहा है, थोड़ा मॉइस्चराइज्ड लग रहा है, और इट मस्ट बी द ह्यूमिडिटी. आई लुक क्रेजी, आई नो, बट या आई गेस वी कीप इट raw and real here, right? So today is Guru Purnima and it is my birthday, as in how do I say it? In Gujarati we call it Tithi Pramane birthday. Like I was born on Guru Purnima day. So my mum and my brother and dad and my boss sent me something on Porter. Let's see what is it. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. So मुझे एक और चीज़ समझ नहीं आ रही है कि हेयर फॉल को मैं हुई हूँ या मेरे को हेयर फॉल हो रहा है. Because the amount of hair I'm losing for some like days, for a week, it's crazy. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. It is the hair color probably, या तो फिर it is the water. पानी का क्वालिटी it's so bad. It is really bad. तो वो भी हो सकता है. मेरा गट फीलिंग कह रहा है कि हेयर फॉल इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि पानी खराब आ रहा है बहुत. It's just किसी की भी जो नज़र लगी है मेरे बाल पे ना, वो नज़र उसके पास आई सेंड इट बैक एंड तुम्हारे साथ हो ऐसा फिर. दिस इज दाल चावल. इट्स नॉट दाल चावल, आई मीन दिस इज दाल फ्राई राइस एंड परोटा विथ ऑफ कोर्स अ लिटिल अनियन. ये न्यूज़पेपर्स का इस्तेमाल ऐसे होता है. या दिस इज जस्ट टिपिकल गुज्जू फैमिली थिंग्स. सो वी आर गोइंग आउट for a while because मेरा दिमाग वैसे पता नहीं it's just not working properly, I guess. And this is the outfit. See, I look so good. This is the sign to wear short kurtis with long black, like this kind of A-line skirts. Like it is so good. आज मैंने मेरे बाल भी कुछ अलग रखे हैं, by the way. I've gotten some really nice makeup products जो perfectly मेरे shade match निकला. It is one of the high-end concealers that I own. I really loved it. मज़ा ही आ गया. And Korean makeup is just so good. Like it's so good. I just did my Pilates and तुमको लगता है तुम्हारा दुख है ना कुछ तो पिलाटिस करो 15 मिनट तुमको सब समझ आ जाएगा. Like do that. It's like my abs जो है नहीं abs पर my this part is on fire. Even my legs are on fire. By the way हम लोग शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं वापस. Well kind of shopping क्योंकि कुछ अच्छा लग ही नहीं रहा है हमें. You know one thing about me, I forget that I'm vlogging this week. So मैं कभी कभी भूल जाती हूँ vlog करना ऐसे रिकॉर्ड करना. So please don't mind it कि ऐसे bits में आपको पूरा हफ्ता दिख रहा है. I think it's still enjoyable. So yeah, we are आज फ्राइडे हाँ शाम हो चुकी है, रात हो चुकी है, 9 बज गए एंड हमारा डिनर हो गया. हम गजरा कैफ़े गए थे, वन ऑफ आवर फेवरेट प्लेसेस एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू वेस्ट साइड क्योंकि कोई और जगह पे मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. आई जस्ट डोंट नो मुझे चाहिए कि एग्जैक्टली व्हेन आई सी इट आई जस्ट नो कि ये मेरे लिए है एंड आई हैव टू वेयर इट, यू नो. सो वी आर बैक होम. नाउ आई एम गोना चेंज, फ्रेशन अप एंड yeah. And I think this is the end of this vlog and I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you liked it and please leave comments and let me know how do you like the vlogs and what do you want to see more of on my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. As you know, I am super active there as well. And thank you for showing जो भी मिल रहा है प्यार जितना भी मिल रहा है, I really appreciate that. And I'm very grateful for that. Thank you for watching. Be kind and take care of yourself.